Hey guys, this is Kaylee with 323 Link. I wanted to take a second today to introduce you to our new partner, FrameVR. FrameVR is a browser-based virtual platform, not that different from Zoom or Teams. It's made for collaboration, video conferencing, and connection. However, it does have some really cool new elements I'm excited to share with you guys. As you can guess, one of those is that it is compatible with VR headsets. But even outside of that, you have this interactive 3D environment that you can access just on your browser. And that's what we're going to do today. You can see I've got OneTouch open. OneTouch is our software here at 323 Link. We use this in a lot of room solutions just to make things easy for employees and teachers. You've got all your buttons right here, and I went ahead and programmed one earlier today for Crave Hall. This is going to be our frame we'll be using. Crave stands for Cloud Room AV. That's our mother company. And I'm just going to click that button, and it's going to launch the browser. For the sake of the video today, I am going to be our CEO of 323 Link, Don Cottom. I made this account myself. I made this frame on myself on my own account. So what we're going to see today is what you can do on a free account as a guest in someone else's frame. This right here is going to be Crave Hall. So this is one of the generic room selections that you have when you're picking out your own frame. They give you a list of options that you can pick from. And you can personalize these. And you can see I've done some personalization here at the front. Here's the stage. This red line is going to prevent me from accessing the stage as a guest, just to keep things on track. So I can't get up there and present myself without getting launched back in time, back 10 yards. But I can still present. So let me go back down here. I'm going to go to share webcam, and let me give you guys a little wave. It's just that easy. I've also got this PDF up here. Imagine, you're in a classroom and you want everyone to have access to the same PDF while you're talking. Maybe it's a homework sheet or, something you need for a conference. Right here, I've got some of our OneTouch hardware options. And then I've got our logo up here. If you want to add new elements, you see these little 3 stars. That's how you're going to do that. So the way I was able to put this stuff up here is I went to PDF. I'm not sure if you guys can read that, but I can do an image, video. I could do a lot of different things. I could add an NPC. I haven't done that before. Oh, there she is. This is our new friend. And I'm able to move her even as a guest. And of course, the admin can change these settings, I believe. But just for now, let me see. Let me put her right over here. And that was the edit button down here. You've got a couple different things you can do down here. You can go over to one of these chairs and take a seat. Just that easy. I got a dog over here. My room just came with a dog, but it looks just like my dog from home, so I went ahead and kept her there. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you. I know it can be a little daunting, very different from what you're used to if you are used to Zoom or Teams. But if you are looking for something a little bit more typical than what you would normally see, all you need to do is open the flat mode. So this is going to take you straight to the grid. Right here, we've got our webcams. You can have like a regular video conference, and Sasha's in here as well. There's going to be a Sasha in every single frame. She is an AI agent that is here to assist you with any questions you might have. If you go to grid, this is where you're going to see anything that's shared throughout the room. I've got our PDF right here. You can download that if you need it. And you can share, you get full motion picture with this, so full motion video. So if you want to share, you're welcome to. This is the place to do it. Share doc. This is going to be, there it goes. This is going to be a doc that you can share among everybody that's in the meeting, and you can download this after or save it to your Frame account. You don't need a Frame account necessarily to enter a room, but it does help because it's going to let you personalize your avatar, and it's free to start out. Every free account, I believe, comes with up to 3 frames that you can access and make your own. And you get a certain amount of elements that you're allowed to use, and you can have up to 8 people in those rooms. Any more than 8 people, or if you're looking to have more AI upgrades throughout the room, and you should look into getting the subscription. It's on a tier, but I think it starts at $10. Yeah, so if you have any questions about this software, or you're looking for us to set an account up for you, just let us know. We're also able to personalize these rooms. So if you have a physical auditorium that you're looking to duplicate and have a virtual space for, so that your online students are getting the same exact experience, we can do that as well. Feel free to look us up at www.323link.com and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.